Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It's Wednesday morning, October 2, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The persistent rally in stocks was knocked for a loop on Tuesday as investors retreated to safer corners of the market when the conflict in the Middle East intensified. Haven assets were bid up, with bonds, oil, gold, and the US dollar all advancing after Iran launched the salvo of ballistic missiles in the retaliation for Israel's campaign against Tehran's Hezbollah allies. In response, US President Joe Biden directed the US military to aid Israel's defense and shoot down missiles aimed at Israel, according to the White House National Security Council. Gold climbed about $2,670 an ounce during the trading, while West Texas Intermediate crude oil topped $71 a barrel. All three major stock indices fell yesterday, after all these three had scored strong gains for September and for the quarter on Monday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 173 points, or 0.41%, to 42,156. The S&P 500 lost 53 points, or 0.93%, at 5,708. And the Nasdaq Composite dropped 278 points, or 1.53%, to 17,910. Growth was also in focus as a new quarter got underway. Data released early on Tuesday showed US job openings rebounded in August, while the Institute for Management Supply ISIM report showed manufacturing activity stood at 47.2 in September versus estimates of 47.5. While the broader market fell, shares of energy companies rose along with the US oil prices, which settled at 2.4%. Shares of ExxonMobil gained 2.3%. Defense stocks also rose, including Northrop Grumman, which rallied 3%, and Lockheed Martin up 3.6%. The S&P 500 Aerospace and Defense Index climbed to a record high. Utilities were up 0.8%. Meanwhile, airline shares fell, including Delta Airlines, which was down 1.6%. Shares of Nike Incorporated weakened in post-market trading after the athletic wear maker reported quarterly revenue that missed estimates. Apple shares weighed on indexes. The iPhone maker was down 2.9% after an analyst report raised concerns about iPhone 16 demand. Wall Street's fear gauge, the VIX, spiked higher, touching a key level that usually indicates more market swings are in store. Crude oil rose. Brent crude, the international benchmark, was up 2.6% at $73.56 a barrel. Treasury yields fell. The benchmark 10-year yield dropped to 3.742% after falling more than half a percent point in July through September. Spot gold rose 0.9% to $2,658 an ounce. For today's market outlook, investors will be cautious ahead of US jobless claims data on Thursday and monthly payrolls on Friday, in addition to the Middle East tensions. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.